Welcome back to Autocar 024, the 2025 Jeep Avenger, a compact SUV that embodies Jeep's adventurous spirit while delivering modern features and performance. Starting with the exterior, the Jeep Avenger showcases a bold and rugged design. Its muscular stance is complemented by a signature 7-slot grille and high-mounted LED headlights that not only look great but enhance visibility. The robust wheel arches and aggressive lines give it a distinctive presence on the road. The available color options, along with customizable roof choices, allow buyers to express their individual style. The compact dimensions make it perfect for urban environments, yet it maintains a strong off-road capability, which is a hallmark of the Jeep brand. Performance-wise, the 2025 Avenger doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a turbocharged engine, it offers a lively driving experience with responsive acceleration, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 7.5 seconds. It's quick enough for daily driving needs. The Avenger features an advanced four-wheel drive system that enhances traction and stability, making it suitable for various terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough trails, the ride quality is smooth, and the steering feels precise, providing a confident driving experience. Inside, the Avenger combines practicality with comfort. The cabin is well designed, featuring quality materials and a modern layout. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, equipped with the latest connectivity options including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The intuitive interface makes it easy to access navigation, music, and vehicle settings. Spacious seating for 5 ensures comfort on longer trips, and the rear seats can fold down to expand cargo space for larger items. Now, let's discuss pricing. The 2025 Jeep Avenger starts at approximately $30,000, which is competitive for its class. Higher trims with additional features and technology can reach around $40,000, but many buyers will find the base model offers great value. In summary, the 2025 Jeep Avenger is a compelling option for those seeking a compact SUV that doesn't compromise on style or performance. Its blend of off-road capability, modern technology, and thoughtful design makes it a strong contender in the market. If you're in the market for an adventurous yet practical vehicle, the Avenger deserves your consideration. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews.